In this video, you will learn how to use the Fitelo app. First, download the app, go to your phone's Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Fitelo app and download it on your phone. Then, open the app and sign up with your email or social media account. Provide basic information such as your name, age and fitness goals. Then, once you've logged in, set your fitness goals. This could be muscle gain, weight loss or overall wellness improvements, so Fitelo can create you a personalised plan. Follow your plan. Fitelo will give you customised fitness and nutritional plan. Follow the workout routines, meal suggestions and track all your progress. Use the app's features to log your meals, workouts and achievements. These can help you stay on track and stay motivated towards your fitness goals. If you need a personal guidance or personalised consultant, then you can schedule a consultation with Fitelo's fitness and nutritional experts for advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.